afternoon, everyone. We are here at Renix 2024 and we are having Mr. Ashok with us. Let's start this conversation with knowing more about South solar market experience with Sir.
Yeah. Actually, we have very good presence in South market as Novasys, working with few dealers in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and in Telangana also we are working aggressively. Probably volume is slow because of n number of reasons, but this exhibition shows the good interest of the people over here. Domestic market is increasing, so definitely in coming future, coming years, we have good business. That is why we are here.
Okay, and can India be the next manufacturing hub for global, renewable energy sector?
Yeah, of course. Still, there is time for it. We can be a manufacturing hub here because we have young population. That is one. Secondly, technology is maturing here. Only part is the raw material resources which we are lacking. We are working on it. I think that also will be taken care in few years, maybe 2 years. And definitely we are going to be a global hub, manufacturing hub in coming 2 to 3 years, I would say.
Okay, and nowadays we have seen that net zero is a highlight for solar industry. What are the innovation and technology that are accelerating a net zero economy?
See, net zero is, we have the target, and for that, technology advancement is also going on. Solar target already set. Along with solar, new technologies also coming up in renewable sector. So definitely we are focused on net zero. Technology involvement is there, innovation is going on, and based on that, we are also working on it, and we are improving our supplies. And yes, of course, we are moving towards net zero.
And what is your take on ALMM?
ALMM is really good for the domestic manufacturer, undoubtedly, and we have the enough manufacturing capacity in module sector. So ALMM should be there and it must be implemented here on.
Okay, wrapping up this conversation, how you see the future of renewable energy generation in India, and what are the opportunities and challenges associated with it?
See, as already target is set, 100% we are moving towards it. There is ample growth, new policies coming up, requirements are huge. So we are growing, capacity is growing, and definitely there is a huge development on a renewable sector here.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.